Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the HP OfficeJet Pro 8035E wireless color all-in-one printer. This device is packed with features that can revolutionize the way you work from home or run a small business. From its sleek coral design to its cutting-edge printing technology, this printer is a game changer. So, let's dive in and see what makes it so special. One of the most impressive features of the HP OfficeJet Pro 8035E is the up to 12 months of instant ink with HP+. This means that you'll never run out of ink again, as it ships to you automatically. And the best part? You can save up to 50% on ink after the initial 12 months. This is a huge benefit for anyone who prints regularly, whether it's for work or personal projects. No more last-minute trips to the store or frustrating moments when you realize you're out of ink. With HP+, you can focus on what matters most: creating, working, and achieving your goals. Another key feature that sets this printer apart is the HP Smart Printing System. This advanced technology makes it easy to print from any device or app, giving you the freedom to work from anywhere. Whether you're using your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, you can quickly and easily print high-quality documents. And with the HP system, you'll also get access to advanced features like automatic ink ordering and printing analytics. This is perfect for small businesses and home offices, where productivity and efficiency are essential. With the HP Smart Printing System, you can streamline your workflow and get more done in less time. The HP OfficeJet Pro 8035E is also designed with small businesses and home offices in mind. It's perfect for printing professional quality color documents like forms, reports, brochures, and presentations. The print quality is exceptional, with vibrant colors and crisp text that will make your documents stand out. And with fast print speeds of up to 20 pages per minute in black and 10 pages per minute in color, you can get your work done quickly and efficiently. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or remote worker, this printer is an essential tool that will help you achieve your goals. In addition to its impressive print quality and speed, the HP OfficeJet Pro 8035E also comes with a range of other features that make it a versatile and convenient device. You can print, copy, scan, and fax with ease, and the two-sided printing feature helps you save paper and reduce waste. The auto-document feeder is also a huge time saver, allowing you to quickly scan and print multi-page documents. And with mobile and wireless printing, you can print from anywhere in your home or office without being tethered to a cable. The printer also has a USB port, so you can print directly from your flash drive. In conclusion, the HP OfficeJet Pro 8035E wireless color all-in-one printer is an incredible device that can take your productivity and creativity to the next level. With its advanced features, fast print speeds, and cost-effective ink system, it's the perfect solution for small businesses and home offices. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient printer that can help you achieve your goals, look no further. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the HP OfficeJet Pro 8035E and start